Hello craft heroes, here's what the finished octopus looks like. Now let's sew all the parts together step by step to complete the whole piece. Now we need to sew the star on round 4 to 5 from top of body. Thread the yarn tail of star through the yarn needle. Find the center top of the body and count 5 rounds. Insert the needle in the stitch right under the front end of the yarn tail and bring it up under the next stitch. Repeat 1 stitch into the edge stitch of the star and draw yarn through. Repeat around the star. Insert the needle into the edge stitch of star again, draw yarn through. Don't pull tight. Insert the needle back into the loop just created and pull tight to make a knot. Cut off the yarn. Use the yarn needle to hide the old yarn tail. Now we have finished sewing the star. Next, we need to sew the blush on rounds 10 to 11 from top of body with pink yarn. Thread the yarn through the yarn needle and tie a knot at the end. Find the center top of the body and count 11 rounds. Insert the needle into the random stitch on the right side and bring it through the stitch below the right eye. Insert the needle into the stitch to the right and bring it out of the stitch below the right eye. Insert needle into the same stitch and bring it out of the stitch below the left eye. Insert the needle into the stitch to the left and bring it out of the previous needle exit point. Repeat once. Insert needle into the same stitch and bring it out of the first stitch where we insert the needle. Tie a knot under the original knot and insert the needle into the same stitch and draw yarn through somewhere on the other side of the body to hide the knot. Cut off the yarn. Finished sewing the blush. Now we need to sew the mouth on round 11 from top of body with black yarn. Thread the yarn through the yarn needle and tie a knot at the end. Insert the needle into the stitch a few away from target stitch on the right side. Bring it out of the stitch 2 stitches away from the lower apex of the left safety eye. Count 2 stitches on right. Insert the needle into this stitch and bring it out of the midpoint stitch between round 10 and round 11. Put the yarn under the needle between the above 2 stitches and draw yarn through to make a V shape. Insert the needle into the same stitch on the opposite side of the sewn yarn to wrap around it and bring it out of the first stitch where we insert the needle. Tie a knot under the original knot and insert the needle into the same stitch and draw yarn through somewhere on the other side of the body to hide the knot. Cut off the yarn. Now we have finished the octopus.